This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, April 20th. Starting out with the stock index futures, good gains today. Much of this linked to the Fed's Beige Book release yesterday that showed, in their opinion, that the economy was in relatively good condition. It looks like that across the 12 Fed districts that there is a better economic tone. Also, we are seeing better earnings reports out of the Eurozone, so that helped European equities, which in turn helped the U.S. stock markets, and apparently no worsening geopolitical problems, all of which contributed to strength today in the indices. Longer term, we still believe that the main trend is higher, and these geopolitical problems will only temporarily get in the way of the bull market for stock index futures. Now, moving over to the currencies, once again, the dollar index underperforming the news. The dollar should have gained on the Fed's Beige Book release yesterday. Also, the dollar should have been stronger on economic reports from time to time that have come in better, and yet the dollar continues to underperform. Even the probability of a rate increase tending to work higher at the June meeting, not supportive to the dollar as it should be. So it looks like the dollar index has some problems as it continues to underperform the news. Also seeing the euro currency advancing with construction spending in the Eurozone coming in at its largest increase since March of 2012. And interest rate futures markets lower across the board, flight to quality longs being liquidated with no apparently worsening geopolitical issues. Also the probability of a rate increase at the June meeting now moving up to 57%. Yesterday it was at 44%, so that a bit of a negative. Longer term, we feel that while the geopolitical issues are supportive to treasuries, it's the inflation influence that will continue to be a long-term negative and will ultimately dominate to take the treasury markets lower. Gold still is our favorite long, with geopolitical problems still very much a positive influence on gold. Inflation also a very supportive influence. So still looking for gold to work higher. And I think within the next couple of weeks we can take out the 1300 resistance level in the gold futures market. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.